African queen, call you my cinnamon girl. Sweet like grandma cobbler. Look at that girl posture.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a new video and I'm gonna be removing my 2.5-month-old weave. It's not looking too bad, but I just need change. I am that person who can't have the same hairstyle for that long. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get into the video. I cannot take out a weave for the death of me. I have watched every tutorial, I've tried it. I can't see the back of my head, my arms get tired, I'm so scared of cutting my own hair. It's just a huge disaster, so it never works out for me. But I'm fortunate enough to have a wonderful sister to help me out. She's no professional, so don't be hating in the comments. We just gotta do what we gotta do.
Do you all see the ew? Oh my gosh, it's actually disgusting.
Can you stop?
What is it? Just dandruff. I don't think that's just dandruff. Ew. Joy. Ew. Stop. Like the circle of life. Calm down. This is not natural. Have you ever gotten a weave? No, for this reason. Look at all that growth though. That's what matters. Yay. Finally. It's literally.
That's what also comes with having your sister take out your weave. Don't think her services are free, y'all. I had to pay an arm and a leg and beg her for days and days to take out my weave, so do not feel bad for her. Finally, the weave is out. Just taking a little snack break before removing my braids. There's Joy being Joy, like always. Hold on. Ladies, you know that feeling when that weave come out, the freedom, the dignity. Can I get an amen in the comments? So this is the amount of hair shed that came out of my hair after taking out my weave. I know a lot of ladies get scared when they see that amount of hair, but I just see it as I would have lost the same amount of hair in the 2.5 months that I had the weave in, maybe even more if I didn't, from styling and brushing and combing so much. That's just how I see it. I don't know, comment below what you guys think, or maybe I just say that to make myself feel better, but I have combed out my hair. It is now time to wash, shampoo, condition, detangle, all of that, and then come back and figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair. I just decided to slick my hair back. If you guys would like to know any of the products I use or my wash routine, please comment below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.